Users can sign up for any of the available courses by accessing the course catalog. From the course catalog, select on any of the desired courses that you would like to know more about. Once a course has been selected, you can look at the detailed information on that course. You may also choose to register as a course coach for specific courses, representing your training or educational institution or company. Students access courses through the My Courses section of the BIMWERX Academy platform. From the course dashboard, various tools are available related to the course content. From the learning path, the course tutorials, practical tests, and assignments are accessed. Once we access the course learning path, learners can review the course module video tutorials, complete the comprehension tests, for which 100% pass rate is required. At the end of the course, there will be a practical assignment which is submitted through the assignment section. In this case, we can see the assignment detail with clear instructions on all of the requirements for the assignment. Once the assignment has been completed by a learner, it is uploaded through the Submit Assignment section. Once an assignment has been uploaded, the course coach is automatically notified, after which the assignment is rated and uploaded, submitted back to the learner. And after all of the assessment criteria has been met, a certificate is issued to the learner. Certificates will be available from the course dashboard. Anyone can apply to be a course coach representing a training institution, educational institution, or a professional company. Once a person or an individual has been assigned as a course coach, he or she will be able to manage users and course content through the course dashboard. In this case, this user is assigned as course coach to the BIM 101 Level 1 NZ Schools course. From here, additional tools and information will be available to the course coach. For instance, documents. From here, in the Documents section, additional tools will be available to the course coach. An example would be the assignment course score sheet. Course Coaches also has access to existing users and the ability to register new users to their assigned courses. In this example, we can look at a reporting review of this user. By selecting on this user's report statistics, we can view the progress, results for practical and comprehension tests, and certifications. Course coaches are also notified once a learner submits an assignment. Course coaches also have the ability to register new users for their assigned courses.